Hello guys, welcome to Digital Dexter. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to change your cursor in any version of Windows. As you can see, my cursor right here is not the default. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then sure you do, and give this video a thumbs up if you end up liking it, and share it with your friend as well. So let's get started. First, you will have to download cursor from deviantart.com, deviantart.com. You visit it and you sign up, then you log in. So right here in the search, you type in cursor, search for cursors on the site, and here are cursors that you can download for free. You just click on them and it will load. This is the download button right here, free download. So you just click on it, it's going to download the cursor. So Vision cursor, yeah, it has downloaded. So this is our Vision cursor right here. So you right click on it and then you extract all, extract. So it's going to extract it to a folder named Vision cursor. So in the meantime, you head over to your search or start and then type in control and then type in control panel. Control panel, you open control panel. After opening control panel, you click on mouse. So this is the mouse settings. We're going to minimize this. This is our mouse settings right here. So this is the Vision cursor white. I'm going to activate the black. I'm going to install this one and activate it so you see the change better. So right here in the folder, there is an install file right here. So you right click on it and then you hit install and then just say open, install, yes. So it has installed, and this is the cursor right here, Vision cursor black right here. This is our mouse settings. So you just hit apply, it's going to change, say yes. So as you can see, my mouse has changed to the Vision cursor. So this is pretty much it, and to revert back, you go back to your mouse settings as well, pointers. So apply, we are back to our default cursor. So this is how you change your cursor on any version of Windows. If you find this video tutorial helpful, ensure you give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys so much. Do have a nice day.